my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Wow.
Oh my god, shut up!
That turned me on more than anything in the world.
What?
That taco.
What is your problem?
Oh my god. I can't wait for another taco. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
I'm cutting down the wire, I'm feeling kinda tired, I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. You know I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I'm screaming in the bathroom right now. That is because Elijah's waiting for me in the car, so I gotta get this going real fast. But today, I decided I'm going to make some weird noises while I eat. Don't ask, okay? But if you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below and click that bell right next to it so you guys are notified every time we upload a brand new video. We post new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday. Having all that said, you guys are in for it in today's video. Buckle up and let's go. So we just went on a quick little Target run and now we're gonna go get a Baja.
Yes.
You guys know we love our Baja Blasts.
Of course, like, literally cannot live life without them. Probably one of the best drinks Earth has ever created. Mankind has ever created.
I agree. Well, and a dragon drink.
Yeah, and the dragon drink. That's a really good drink too.
Yeah.
And coffee. But like, right now, we're filling a Mountain Dew Baja Blast.
Yes, we are. So that's where we're going right now, Taco Bell.
And you wanna know something weird? I never imagined myself with a girl that liked Mountain Dew. And like, I know it's weird.
Wait, so girls can like Mountain Dew?
No, but like, okay, so before Baja Blast and like all the different flavors came out, it was literally just green Mountain Dew. And like, I just remember only the dudes drink Mountain Dew and stuff like that, or like, for the majority. So like,
well, I'm so glad to break that thing, you know?
You gotta break that cycle.
Yeah, I don't like that.
No,
girls
like,
drink Mountain Dew too, buddy.
Honestly, it's just like so crazy. Like, as a little kid, not to be like,
Yeah, no, I totally understand you. Anyway, we're here. Taco Bell! Who was literally the Taco Bell mascot? They don't know it yet, but she is.
She's the mini Yo Quiero. Rest in peace, Yo Quiero. I'll always miss you.
How do we say Chihuahua?
Chi Swa Swa.
Or,
Chi Hua Hua.
yeah, how she got her name. Hui is named after Chi Hua Hua.
Yeah, literally.
Duh.
That easy. So like, whenever anyone asks like, oh, how'd you like come up with her name? Most people figure it out, but like some people just can't put it together.
It usually goes, oh my gosh, your dog is so cute, can I pet her? And I'm like, yeah. Oh, what's her name? Hula. Hi, Hula.
Oh yeah, no,
I'm like, pull up.
They'll say Hula.
Yeah, they all think her name's Hula.
But
like
it's
when we go to the
actually-
dog park, it's all Hula, come here. I'm like, oh.
Because I guess it's like, I guess they think we say Hula.
That's the closest word to English that there is. Because Hua's a made up thing that I made up.
Yeah, Hua is like,
I made that up.
It's kind of English. It's just abbreviated.
You don't know any other dog that's named Hua, because I made it up. And if you do, that's because they copied my name for Hui.
Oh, okay.
Like, period.
There has to be somebody
There's
like
not.
in this world
There's
that has
not.
named their dog Hua. Like actually H-U-A.
Me. I'm the one who came up with that name.
When you were like what, 7, 8 years
Yeah,
old?
on my Nintendo dogs.
Nintendo dogs.
Nintendo dogs.
My Nintendo dogs. Yeah, it's been so long since I've had that game.
I came up with the name Hui. Well, Hua. I call her
Yeah.
Hui though.
I came up with Hui. We all kind of like started giving nicknames.
Just the way she is. She's just my little Hui girl.
Yeah, she's so special. A large Baja Blast with light ice. I'm hype. I'm hype. It's Baja Blast day. Hey.
Did you even get one?
Hey.
Then you can't drink mine because it goes down so fast.
Honestly, I just wanted to sip out of yours because I don't want to like drink an entire one because it's a lot of sugar.
Okay,
but,
then,
you know.
but actually, shake on it. You're getting one sip. One sip. Look at me. Say, I promise I'll only have one sip.
Okay, no, I cannot say that. I'm
then
I'm
get
gonna
two.
take like 2.
Then get 2, Elijah.
I hear like the birds or something out here. It's crazy. Oh, on our last, like one of our last videos where I left the water bottle on top of the car, pretty sure I left it on the roof.
That bottle was on the roof. Everyone called you out for it.
Like I was driving away, like I even went back and watched the video. I'm like, oh my God, I didn't even notice. It was like right here.
That means you littered.
That means I'm getting old. It wasn't intentional. I actually went back to go like try to find it, throw it away, but yeah,
It's okay. It won't happen again. You learned.
I think someone else just like threw it away or something.
Yeah.
Because like literally it's like our parking lot, like we would have found it.
Yeah. Thank you, kind sir.
You're welcome. What is it that good?
The whole thing.
Jeez, you already drank it?
Yeah, it was so good.
Oh, at least I got my 2 sips in.
Do you like our TikTok?
Yeah, I do. I'm actually posting to it right now. We just made a little something on TikTok. Oh my gosh, yo, you literally just like opened that up upside down. It's like, you're like about to tip it upside down.
Wow. Wow.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what?
It's really good.
Okay, it's good to know. Glad to hear that it's really good.
Oh my god. Stop.
All right, yeah. Oh my gosh, can you
Sorry,
please?
what are you gonna caption that?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Oh my god, sorry. Oh my god. Wow.
If you want more, I can go back and get you more.
Can we?
You really want more?
Yeah, this is great. Oh my god.
It's a big girl.
Yeah.
Alright.
And I ate all that without even touching it. It's called being careful.
You want a treat for that? Another Baja Blast?
Wow, Laj. I just gobbled that. You know what? I should be a mukbang channel.
You should.
I'm quitting this channel. My real calling is a mukbang channel.
Oh, okay.
Unbelievable. I wasted all this time not doing mukbangs.
Yeah, it's crazy. Like, what is your problem?
Wow.
What?
Wow.
Oh my god, shut up! What are you like? Wow! Oh, hold on. Wow!
Yeah. It just hits different.
Yeah, I guess so.
Wow. I'm gonna be dreaming about that all night. I mean, day, sorry.
Okay, anyways, can I hit post? Can I post that?
Yeah.
What is wrong with you?
Oh my god, it was so good. I only got 1 taco, didn't I?
Yeah.
I know,
got
that
one.
was the biggest mistake of my life.
Got 1 taco, biggest mistake of her life.
Let's make another TikTok.
We made 3.
Yeah, I like it.
Alright, we are uploading now on our TikTok.
Wow. That turned me on more than anything in the world.
What?
That taco. I can't even describe it.
What do you mean turned you on? Are you okay? Can I help you? I can't.
You can't. The
Okay.
taco could help me. You can't help me.
Alright, sorry about that.
Oh, and this dragon drink earlier. Oh, Lige, I'm so upset. Nothing's ever gonna just feel that good again. It's just, it sucks.
Why are you that emotional about it?
That was the best taco I've ever had.
It's literally Taco Bell. I can order actual, like, good takeout tacos.
No, like, I like that.
Alright, well, if you liked it that much, obviously you were like, okay, let's go get you another one.
Okay.
Do you want another one?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Woo!
You're so special, like, I don't even know what you are.
Make sure there's no water bottles in the top of your car.
Nope. We're good. No water bottles will be hurt in the process of this video. Are you serious? You want another taco?
Yes.
Do you want another Baja Blast?
No, because I drank this entire thing in 1 minute. That's bad.
It's pretty quick.
It was a large. And I drank a Trenta, not even a Venti. I drank a Trenta, which is an extra large drink at Starbucks. That's enough.
I mean, technically, Starbucks really plays with the sizes, and like, I feel like they're extra
Sir, I
large.
think you should maybe buckle up and stop worrying about the noises I make when I eat.
Sorry, you just literally caught me off guard. Like, oh wait, hold on. I'm gonna buckle. We're literally on a side street. Safe and sound, everyone. Safe and sound.
Oh my god. I can't wait for another taco.
Dude, you just calm down, Matt. It's fine.
Oh my god. Like, oh my god. Like, this is the best thing that's ever happened to me in my entire life.
Okay, Matt, it's literally just Taco Bell, so. Ah!
Elijah's wallet just flew.
Sorry guys, it was tragic.
And we need that to get my taco.
Can you please explain to everyone why, like, you've never, like, told me that your love for Taco Bell is just
Sometimes things just hit different. This is one of those times.
where it's hitting different.
I don't know, it hits the spot.
Should I get Taco Bell as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you'll be feeling the same way I am right now, just like in heaven.
Like moaning? Like that good?
Yeah, you
For
really
real?
are taking me here again.
Literally here within like, the guy's gonna be like, yo, you just went around. Like, yeah, no,
My
sorry.
girlfriend really, really enjoys
No,
it.
she's really enjoying that taco.
Like more than you think, buddy. Oh my god, sorry. Oh my god, I'm sure they can hear me.
No more doing that.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
I'm coming up to the microphone, so don't say anything.
Oh my gosh. Sorry. Thank you, kind sir.
Thank you, kind sir,
Thank you, kind sir.
for serving the Taco Bells up from the heavens.
Alright guys, so we just got home, and another thing that makes me really happy, by the way, I didn't eat my taco yet, but another thing that just makes me so happy is taking off my eyelashes. Ugh.
My popsicles! I'm dropping on my popsicles.
Anyway, I'm gonna eat my taco now.
Alright, my taco. What did you get, Lige?
I got a chalupa supreme, something like that. It's apparently this new like chicken chalupa that they have, and I tried it before and it's fire.
Okay, okay. Ugh.
Are you okay?
No, I've waited so long for this.
I can tell. Kind of.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. You don't understand.
I really don't. You're right.
You know what?
What, Matt?
I'm starting a mukbang channel.
Are you?
Yep.
Okay.
Comment down below if you guys want to see me eat.
You know, honestly, that's probably what I should go on my channel because I haven't started yet, but I am. Also, guys, if you haven't had this from Taco Bell, again, not sponsored, but you know what? Taco Bell, if you ever want to sponsor, just feel free. Email's down in the description. But this new like chalupa that they made is so freaking good.
Gosh.
What? Like honestly, can I help you?
Oh my god. This is so great, Lige. Nothing will ever make me feel this good ever again.
What?
Oh my god.
That's kind of cringy, not gonna lie. I'm just like cringing a little bit, not like a whole lot, but you kind of being a little over the top with your taco there.
It like dyed my lips. That's how good it was. Look, that's when you know.
That's when you know it's
taco
good.
was good. Also, picked up some candy. Ooh. Are you excited to eat it? See, like, why are you making those noises? It's not that good? It doesn't hit you the same? It doesn't hit that spot?
It does.
Okay, what do you mean?
Here, these are the only noises I'd be making.
Ew, I'm gagging. Why would you make me come close to that?
Because I'm not going, so good.
What is your dad doing? Say hi to them, Hui. Say hi. She wants the taco.
Yo, guys, we seriously need to enroll her somehow to be their next, like, model dog.
Taco Bell.
Yeah, literally, look at her.
What are you doing, crazy girl?
You say, sit up, and so that's what she does.
What are you
Look at her.
doing, Hu?
Good girl. Good girl sitting up.
Hui, why are you sitting up? What is she doing?
It's like clockwork. Watch
Look
it.
at her.
Watch this. Come over here. Hey, you want a treat? You want a treat? Gotta sit up. Wow.
Look at how she sits up
Look at
like
that
Her
balance.
spine is so straight right now.
Gotta sit up.
Look at that. Look at her
girl, stay.
spine. Wow, Hui.
Good girl.
She loves to, her balance is insane.
I don't even know, like, okay, so I literally saw her do it like one time, and I was like, yo, I have to train her how to do it.
Yeah.
And then she finally did it. High five. Yay.
Where did my plaque go?
Huh?
Where did my plaque go?
I don't know. Wasn't it on the wall?
Yeah, it was weird. Maybe someone stole it. Anyway.
Yeah, someone definitely stole it.
I guess that's it for this video. I was making weird, like, you know, kind of noises on purpose to see what you would do, and like you just thought I was weird.
Why is her drawer so empty?
I don't know. But you thought I was so weird for making noises.
Yeah, no, that was like, it was awkward.
You don't appreciate my video. Get out of here. I'm gonna eat my candy. You don't appreciate it. I'm gonna make the same noises when I eat my candy.
Please don't do that.
Why?
It was kind of making me cringe, not gonna lie.
Was it really?
Just a teensy bit mad. I love you and all, but like, come on. Oh my god.
I love that you want to recreate the noises so bad. I lost my phone. Wait,
She
I
like,
lost my phone.
yo, she don't even know where her phone is. What are you looking for? The notification shout out?
Yeah.
Because like, we will get
Can you
right
get it?
into it.
Alright, today's notification shout out. Hey, are we sensing a cover coming on your separate channel? Are we
Maybe.
sensing it?
I don't know. This is not really, I don't think this is gonna be.
Alright, give him a sneak peek though.
Give him a sneak peek
Yeah,
of what?
real quick before I end the video. One sneak peek.
I mean, it's not even plugged in.
But we love you.
But it's more, this is like.
But we love you.
Okay, I love you too. I have to plug it all in though.
But we love you.
Okay.
Okay, so what is the song you're going to be playing for us today?
Today I am playing Smells Like Teen Spirit. I literally just didn't even get the chance to learn it, so I'm literally just playing trash for you.
Can you play Stay then?
Sure. Not the acoustic version, because I don't have an acoustic guitar.
Okay. We love you. We support.
Let's go.
Oh, that was awesome.
I gotta learn the acoustic part. It's super easy though. It literally just goes dun 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 dun. So it's like I was gonna learn that, but I can't do it on this guitar because it's a electric.
Thank you for the sneak peek of what's to come for your channel.
I'm hoping for it. I never like made myself dedicated to actually learning like a bunch of songs.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be like really hard, but
We're excited.
I'm hyped.
All right, say bye.
All right, guys. Peace.